Last day as a tourist. And I know I look a mess, y'all, because the anxiety was through the roof and I did not have time to really put on makeup. I'm just trying to get this over and done with. So, cheers to becoming a resident. Hey guys, it's Karina Worldwide coming back to you with another video. So, I am still in Mexico, but this is my last day, hopefully, as a tourist in Mexico. So, as you guys know, I've lived in Mexico for a minute now. Last month, I celebrated my 1-year anniversary living in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. So I decided it is time for me to get my resident visa. So I'm headed back to the States. Right now, David and I, Taxi Bay and I, are headed to the airport, but we stopped to get some breakfast. So I need to eat because my anxiety is through the roof. So that's David going ahead and get us some tortas, side of the road. So I've had so many people reach out to me and they've asked me, like, what is the process to moving to Mexico? Where can I find apartments? What is the visa process like? And I think I've been pretty helpful. But even though I know the visa process, I'm going to be honest with y'all, it was just kind of like, this is through research. So I thought it would be super cool for me to actually document my entire experience going through the visa process to become a resident in Mexico. So I'm applying for my temporary residence visa, which lasts up to 4 years. I'm going to ask for the 4 years. And then, super cool, I'm hoping to be able to drive my car all the way from South Carolina to Playa del Carmen. So you guys are going to get a whole bunch. I don't know if I'm going to do like 2 parts yet or 1 video, but we'll see how it goes. But before we get on the plane to head back to the States for the visa, got to get the COVID test.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Okay, look the word. Uncomfortable, the more. One more. And that's it. Your result is ready to remain the flight even, okay?
Thank you so much. So I'm waiting on my flight. I'm so nervous about this whole visa process, but I think it'll be fine. So we'll see. I have a road to myself. And just like that, I'm home and the visa process begins. So wish me luck. Good morning, guys. So I literally just woke up, taught my students. I am in Atlanta where the embassy is. Flew in yesterday and I'm super nervous about the next step. So later on today, I will be going to the embassy to get my Mexican visa, but I have all of my paperwork that I need. I've decided to do economic solvency, which means I need an employment letter. So a letter from my employer saying I work for them and I'm not like a poor girl trying to live off the government, and my application, and then 6 months of my bank statement. Oh, I also needed 2 passport photos and of course my passport. I have 1 more hour to go. I'm gonna hurry up and get ready, and then I'm headed to the embassy to see if I can get my Mexican visa. You see the Mexican flag? That lets you know I'm here. And the building, so wish me luck. My appointment is at 9:15. It is 9:08. So I'm just taking some time to do some breathing exercise and calm my nerves because I'm super nervous. I just want to make it official. Like, I really want to be a resident in Mexico. But I've heard horror stories of people who just didn't get it. So I'm just like, just breathe. You got this. I was zooming on the interstate, y'all. Like, whoop, whoop, whoop. Like, because I thought I was going to be late. I did not know it was this far from where my sister lives. But nonetheless, I'm right outside. It's super packed. Took me about 3 minutes to find a parking space, but we're going to go inside in a bit. I literally had 1 minute to spare, but I'm here. So that was pretty quick. I'm just going to the cashier's office to pay and then come on back. Okay, that was fast too. Just got my receipt. So paid, it was $48. Going back upstairs. Leaving the office now. At 12 o'clock, I will be an official Mexican resident. Well, temporary resident. Look at my baby. We were zooming on the highway, y'all. Thought we was gonna get a ticket. I will be back at 12 o'clock to collect my documents and my visa. But now that I'm calm, I can go get some breakfast. So there's that. But Viva Mexico! So I dropped off my passport and everything at 9 o'clock. She told me to come back at 12 o'clock to look at my visa. So I ran some errands, y'all. Got my new glasses. Going back in. Da-da-da-da-da. Time to get my visa for Mexico. It's still packed, but not as bad as it was this morning when I was nervous that I was going to miss my meeting. Got my passport. I have my visa. I'm good to go. Mexico, here I come again. Yeah, so basically it gives me 6 months to enter Mexico. I'll be going back to Mexico on Friday, so I have enough time. And then once I get to the border, because I'm driving to Mexico, I'm driving my car to Mexico, then I'll have 30 days. Your girl is a resident, even if it's temporary. So if you are interested in moving to Mexico or China or anywhere in the world, hit me up if you need some help. It can be a stressful process, but it doesn't have to be. It really is my nerves, y'all. That's why I'm laughing, because I really worked myself up thinking that it was so difficult, and it's really not, as long as you have your paperwork. Literally was super easy. But I can't wait to drive my car to Mexico. Y'all know I got a little Mustang, so can't wait for that experience. You definitely will be getting footage from that. But it's time for me to go pick my niece up in a little bit, because I promised her that I would let her cut school. So it's Karina Worldwide signing off. And before I sign off, make sure you hit the bell and subscribe to stay up to date on what's going on in Karina's world. All right, Karina Worldwide out. Bye.